Ever wondered why seed saving matters in your garden? It's all about preserving biodiversity, safeguarding heirloom varieties, and yes, saving money too. Seed saving is an essential practice for any gardener, novice or expert. Seed saving might seem complex, but it's actually quite simple when broken down into steps. Let's get started. First, you'll want to choose the right plants. Opt for plants that are healthy, vigorous, and true to type. This means they look characteristic of their variety. Remember, the attributes of the plant you choose will be passed on to the next generation. Next, it's all about timing. Harvest seeds when they are mature. For most plants, this is when the fruit is fully ripe or even slightly overripe. For flowers, wait until the seed heads or pods are dry and beginning to open. After harvesting, the seeds need to be cleaned. This can usually be done by simply separating them from the surrounding fruit or flower material. Rinse them gently under cool water and place them on a paper towel to dry. Lastly, proper storage is key. Once your seeds are dry, store them in a cool, dark, and dry place. Use envelopes or glass jars, and make sure to label them with the plant name and date. With these steps, anyone can become a successful seed saver. Let's quickly recap what we've learned about seed saving. Seed saving is crucial to preserving plant diversity and promoting food security. We've covered the steps to do it successfully: selecting the right seeds, drying them properly, and storing them in the right conditions. It's a rewarding process, no doubt, and with practice, you'll be a pro in no time. So, why not give it a try? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.